So we started by making Pecan, which is an Italian Easter pie, and if you want the recipe for that, I will link it in the description below. So we've got our food saver air, what do you call this? Air sucker? Vacuum sealer. Vacuum sealer.
Vacuum sealer, but I call it air.
The food saver vacuum sealer. This is our Pecan, so we're gonna air suck some of it and we're gonna freeze it, right, Mom?
Right.
So the next thing that we made was a strawberry icebox cake, which was a really big hit on Easter. So for this icebox cake, you're going to need to slice strawberries. So next you're going to make whipped cream, or you can use Cool Whip, but homemade whipped cream tastes better, so we made some. So then we assembled it layer by layer. Okay, so we hard-boiled some white eggs. Mom, how long has it been since we colored white eggs?
Well, it's been years since our chickens all lay brown eggs. This is the first white laying hen we've ever had.
So we put some ice and some cold water in there, and then that'll cool them off extra quick.
Helps get the shell off.
Oh, it does?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so we've got this natural Easter egg dyeing kit. We've got yellow, orange, purple, and blue. So we've got all the eggs dyed and they're drying. So I think we have like mostly purple. That was not on purpose. So lastly, we made sweet potato puff, which is a family favorite that we make for every holiday, Christmas, Easter, and Thanksgiving. And so I will put the recipe in the description below. And we've got a nice chicken bucket going for the chickens.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be happy.
What do you think she's making, Tom? Until it's well incorporated. And this is a family recipe from my grandma Dolly. And so thank you, Dolly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And blessings from Sunset Acres Farm.